Is this travel system that's lighter and simpler better than one with more features and flexibility? We're comparing the Graco Modes Nest to the Chicco Bravo Trio in case you aren't able to. Both strollers fold quickly, stand on their own, and fit easily in most car trunks. But the Chicco Bravo Trio folds with one hand and one motion, while the Graco Modes Nest folds with two hands and requires more effort. Both strollers have suspension that absorbs small bumps, but the Chicco Bravo Trio has a tighter turning radius, single front wheels, and feels easier to push with one hand, while the Graco Modes Nest feels heavier and less nimble on uneven ground, even though it has larger wheels. Both strollers feature comfortable handlebars, but the Chicco features an adjustable handlebar for caregivers of different heights, while the Graco's handlebar is fixed at one height. As travel systems, both include a rear-facing infant car seat and a base that installs in your vehicle. The Chicco KeyFit 30 is one of the easiest car seats to install and gets praised for safety, fit, and its supportive newborn insert. And while the Graco SnugRite DLX offers added safety and a more premium feel, it can be trickier to install than the KeyFit. Both strollers let you attach the included car seat directly onto the stroller frame, but the Graco Modes Nest lets you position higher or lower using its adjustable seat slide, while the Chicco Bravo Trio only allows for one fixed position. Both car seats easily click in and out of the stroller and base for smooth transition, but the Chicco KeyFit clicks in with one easy motion and releases quickly, while the Graco car seat may require a little more alignment to connect securely. Both strollers feature an underseat basket, but the Graco basket is larger and easier to access from the front, which comes in handy when the seat is in bassinet mode or fully reclined. And while the Chicco basket is smaller, it's easier to access from the back, which makes it more practical for everyday use. Both strollers include extendable canopies to help block sun and wind, but the Graco canopy offers more coverage and peekaboo window, while the Chicco canopy covers less and doesn't have a zip-out extension, but still provides basic shade. Both systems include a stroller seat designed for everyday strolling as your child grows, but the Graco seat is reversible, adjusts to 3 heights, and reclines to a carriage-style position for newborn, while the Chicco seat is forward-facing only, doesn't recline flat, and is best used once your baby graduates from the car seat. Both systems support newborns from day one when used with the included infant car seat, but the Graco can also be used without the car seat by reclining the toddler seat into carriage-style mode or upgrading to a bassinet, while the Chicco must be used with the infant car seat for newborns. The toddler seat doesn't recline flat enough for safe use in the early months. Both travel systems come with everything you need from day one and are competitively priced for a full travel setup. But your choice really comes down to what matters more: simplicity or flexibility. The Graco costs a bit more upfront, but you get more built-in features and more room to grow. With its reversible seat, adjustable height, and optional accessories like a carry cot, it's designed to adapt as your baby grows, making it a better long-term value. While the Chicco is more affordable and lighter with all the essentials included. It's a great choice for parents who want a simple, easy-to-use travel system that's ready to go.